Hello folks, this is the continuation of part 1. So far what we did was we did Maven package, and we basically created a new console application. We did then the compile, the package, we verified that the application works. Now what we're going to do is there's another command, it's called Maven clean. You can use this to basically get rid of your previous build. So the target folder is gone from here. You can do a Maven package, and it compiles it and builds a new package, okay, and then you have your target folder back with your jar. So once you are done with this, what we're going to do is we're going to add additional dependency on our application and see what happens, okay. So I'm going to assume that I'm going to have some interaction with Hibernate, and I'm going to add a little bit of code here. Okay. So let's assume I need a session factory, and I need to have my save this guy. Great. Now let me go ahead and compile again. And it fails, and it's saying the package r.hibernate does not exist. So what basically we have to do is we have to tell uh, Maven that we are using Hibernate and that it should be included. Okay. So to do that, we will go to the pom.xml file, and we have to mention a dependency here. So as you can see, there's a group ID, there's an artifact ID, there's a version. So we got to get this right. So the question is, how do I find out what are these values for Hibernate? So there are a couple of sites where you can get this information, and one popular one is MVN repository. Once here, you can search for Hibernate or say other jars you're looking for, or other things you want to import. You can come look here. I'm going to click that, then I'm going to take the latest release, and there it is. Okay, highlight it, copy it, bring it over here. After this dependency tag, add this tag. Okay, I can tab this over. Good. So I can save this. Now if I go and run this guy again, and it compiles fine, I should be able to package it, and I'm golden. Okay, so this is what you do. You basically go to your program, do your thing, you do your include, do your basically imports, and then after that you come over here, and based on the name you are looking for, you would come over and go to that website, search it, find the dependency tag, and add it. The scope here is test. If you don't have to give the scope, by default it is compiled, so it will take it and run with it. Okay. All right. So next what we're going to do is we normally work in Eclipse, right? We are typically not out here doing stuff here, opening it back and forth. It is not very productive, and usually we are in Eclipse or another IDE. So what I will show you now is how to take this application and move it into Eclipse. So there's tight integration between Maven and Eclipse, and I'm going to go through the motion, then we'll see the project inside Eclipse. That way we can appreciate all the different jars it has downloaded on the things it has done. And then we're going to pause the video, and from there then we are going to go ahead and build a separate app starting from Eclipse. Okay. So it is very simple to make it an Eclipse project. I just have to do this command, Maven Eclipse. It will do its thing. Then I go here, I will say file, new project, That's the other. And then in the general, the project is what I will select. I will go there. I will look for my guy. So there's my demo app. I'll also open, give it the name, hit finish. We have our demo app, and you can see there's all these jars that Hibernate Maven has organized. Here's our Hibernate jar. Anything that is dependent on things, Hibernate core, the JUnit, so Hibernate JPA, because we're given dot star. All that has been downloaded and it is good to go. There is a little bit of one little warning. Let's see what it is. And I think I know what the warning is. And basically that private variable we declared and we are not really using it. Okay, so looks good. Let's see if this guy will run. So if I go to main java com, all right, I'll say run as java application and hello world. Good. So basically we are back inside the Eclipse IDE now, and our application is here. As you can see, Maven was at work, has done a lot of work for us. If we had to find these things and download and save it somewhere, put it in version control, it'll be a lot of work. Okay, so this way, things are set up. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video, and the next one is we're going to create a new project from inside of Eclipse. Okay, thanks for watching.